Hey everyone, today I'm making a spread from my patron Ashley. This video is going to be a little bit different because when I filmed this, I was in the midst of moving, so I didn't do a full video. I basically just filmed what I did, and instead of doing a voiceover, because as you probably saw from one of my recent videos, I'm pretty overwhelmed right now, I thought I would just set this to music, and it's a real short one for you. Rest assured, the videos are not going to be like this all the time. Once in a while, though, I thought I'd throw one of these in rather than just scrap the video. So I hope you enjoy. think this spread turned out so cute. Obviously, I combined the Girl Power sticker book with the new Feels Like Sunshine sticker book, and all the links for everything will be in the description box. I love the color combo. I love the pink and yellow together. It feels cheery and very self-care oriented. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one.